Yeah, there used to be a cow, either cow or a horse over there. Yeah. So, nandito kami guys sa, what? Oh, ayan. Mm-hmm. Yes. It is a goat. I know. What's the name of this place, Daddy? Dan, Egg, and Poultry. I forgot.
Right there. Dunn Avenue.
Yeah. Dan Avenue, Poultry Farm. Why Mina?
Nina.
Oh, Nina.
Oh, they got the chickens.
It's so cute. There are ducks over here. Oh,
They used to
big
have it
ducks.
close off right there.
So, nandito na kami guys. Ang pangalan ng ng place na ito is Dan Poultry Farm. Ayan. Yeah. They close at 4. Right now it's already 3:34 p.m. You can put your hat on, Rachel. Okay. So, before guys, nung pumunta kami dito, nung first time talaga namin pumunta, the owner allowed us to go in the farm. So, in-explain niya sa amin yung process ng pangingitlog, how many eggs they lay. Hala, oh, may na sila, may kambing na sila. Parang naging oh, there's, hi.
Hey, they're not selling any eggs now, right? They're not selling any eggs now, right?
No, he's not here.
Okay. And they're not through that gate.
Mm-hmm.
They say.
Don't get too close, but my swan will attack you.
Oh,
okay. Move back.
oh, is that a swan? Lang.
She's talking about the goose.
This is a goose? I thought it's a
Big
swan.
She said the swan. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Wow, so cute. Before there used to be a fence like in this corner right here na pero tinanggal na nila. I wonder if I still have that if I still have that video. Yeah.
Oh.
Wow, sobrang dami. Yan. And then yan parang peacock siya. Look at the goat. The goat kept looking at us.
The swan's checking it out.
Mm-hmm. Ay,
It's
nako.
talking, so what's going on?
Yeah. This is a little farm area. Yeah. How far do we live from here lang? Like 40 minutes away from here. Yeah. 40 to 45 minutes.
That's literally half an hour.
More than, yeah. More than half an hour. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, ready to go? Over there is where they have the chickens over here. These are big chickens. Look how big they are. Look at that big hen.
Ayan, so kaaalis lang namin doon sa sa farm, sa poultry farm. Dumaan na lang kami doon guys kasi may appointment ang asawa ko ngayon and then hindi na ako nag-video. He just got his...
There are police reported ahead.
Yeah, he just got his Nexus letter galing sa sa doctor. Yun. Tapos dumiretso kami doon sa farm na binibilhan namin ng itlog dati kasi since malapit lang naman
Take
siya.
exit 35
Yan.
toward
Pero hindi na kami
I-95 North.
bumili guys kasi they are almost closing and they didn't have eggs at that time. So yun. Charot. Naghahanap kami ng mapagbilhan namin ng food guys kasi nato Tom Jones na kami back in the 90s. Tom Jones. Yan. Medyo pack up na yung guys o yung daan. Yan kasi nagsisiuwian na yung mga yung mga workers. Can I call this like shopping center? Yeah. Oh, they have different shopping centers here. Tapos may Walmart, may Ross, Old Navy, tapos may different food um, food chains. So, yan. Tapos meron din silang Michaels. Michaels para siyang Hobby guys.
But they have the Dollar Tree down here too.
Oh yeah, at saka meron ding Home Goods. Oh, Home Goods masarap siyang shoppingan, should I say. Kasi marami silang selections ng mga yung sa kitchen, ganon, curtains, you know, mommy thing, char. Meron din silang Ashley furniture, Mattress Firm.
In half a mile, turn left onto City Square Drive.
The fries. Okay.
That's a lot of fries.
Kain muna tayo, guys. Nandito kami sa Walmart. Ayan, guys. So may mga last minute purchase pa tayo dito. Ayan. At saka ito. Yeah, we're gonna give these to the kids sa church namin. Ayan. So, we are looking for off lotion kasi the last time na bumisita kami sa Pilipinas, ang dami talaga naming kagat-kagat. So, I guess our blood is sweet. Huh?
I love kinetic sand. It's good, you know?
Yeah, we'll ask Daddy if we can have one of those. Yeah. So, ito, naghahanap kami. Mahal, uy. Abot na lang. Everything is mahal nowadays.
Just why is everything have to be normal? Oh, and a few minutes later, next thing you know is that
It's not their, it's not gonna be their fault.
Selection.
Naghahanap kami ng guys, ng bread. How about here lang ga? Sweet. I want sweet bread. Or croissant? Do you want croissant? No.
Cause the garlic nuts.
Oh yeah. Do we have to put that in the oven? Because we don't have time. Okay. Tayo sa bakery section.
Oh, the bacon bag.
I knew it.
I always thought they were ready.
How about here lang ga, oh, Daddy? You're tired? Ito, masarap din ito. Which one? Or the muffins? $6. I don't know.